Good morning everyone, I'm Cosmin and welcome back to my channel. Today is 28th of December, so Christmas is gone and hopefully you enjoy it and spend nice and quality time next to your families. It's the second working day after the Christmas. Yesterday I had a short route, which I have today. It says on the GPS it's like 2 hours and 21 minutes. So let's say 2 hours and a half, depends on the traffic. But today I have this one, and after that I will come back to the depot, unload everything, make the lorry ready for the road, and we are going on a long trip. It's not that long, but I have to do it overnight and sleep in the cabin. However, that's it. We are starting now. All the lorry is checked, everything is done, the GPS is set. So yeah, second day after Christmas. You know that feeling. Enjoy it. And there we go. Pretty cold outside, winter is here, as you may already noticed. AdBlue is done since yesterday, and diesel as well. And as long as this one is a shorter route, I'm not gonna fill up anything now. I will do it after the first delivery, the first job. So when I will be back, unload the first job. After that I will put diesel and AdBlue. So this is recording, which is good, and that's it. As I said, I haven't got enough time to edit the previous video. There's a nice view here, pretty foggy, but I haven't got enough time to edit the previous video, but I will edit this one as well and that one as well, so I will post both of them. The previous one is gonna be posted first, even if it's not the season, you know. I was wearing t-shirt, well, even now I'm wearing t-shirt, but I'm wearing t-shirt because in the cabin it's pretty hot. But outside it says it's 2 degrees. Not sure if that's true because it feels like it's pretty cold. So we are going straight to the farm and do the job and come back, and then drive until I'm out of driving hours. So yeah, until I have to take a longer break, you know, at least 9 hours. I've been off on 24, 25 and 26th of December, you know, the Christmas period. But all this go shopping, do the cleaning, do everything. So I try to help my wife as much as I can. And the times, you know, I've got just we've got some friends with us, and that's it. All the families that we have, they are not here, they are in our country. So yeah, Christmas is gone. So as I said, hopefully you enjoy your time off and spending nice time with your family, because that's the most important thing in life for me personally. 2 hours and 16 minutes. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a traffic jam, but we'll see together. I'm not gonna record everything because it's gonna be a very long video, because I want to attach it with the tomorrow's job. So I'm just gonna keep you updated regarding how it goes and everything. So keep in touch. Nice weather. I mean, I love it. I love winter, but I would love to be everything white and to be snowy outside and to be, well, cold. I like it, but not that much. But I prefer cold in the winter than very hot in the summer. But that's just me. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna keep you updated and see you a little bit later. first job of the day, it's done. Now going back to the depot is 2 hours and 17 minutes. I'm not allowed to record anything while I'm loading. It's a private space, you know, on the farms, so I'm not allowed to record anything. Even I would like to show you the process. I cannot do this. So now in 2 hours and 17 minutes back to the depot, they will unload everything for me, clean the lorry, put another cages inside the lorry, and I have to refill it with AdBlue and diesel, and we hit the road for the long route, which is not that long, but we have to sleep in the cabin. Still cold, -2 degrees. The 4 Celsius of the other temperature of the lorry, that's not true. There's no 4 degrees outside. It's -2 degrees Celsius, of course. There's another hull we load, same name, same company. So we used to load, to take turkeys from here as well, but not today. There's such a nice feeling when inside the cabin it's warm, but outside it's so cold. It's nice when you come inside and you see all this nice temperature, not like outside. On the previous video that I still have it on my laptop, I haven't got, as I said, I haven't got enough time to edit it and post it. Just give you some informations regarding the course that you have to do for the living animals. It wasn't that hard. It was a pretty easy one. But in that video I explained that I have to go back in my country because I'm not from here, so as long as I don't speak German, I have to go back in my country and do it over there, or I can go back to England. So because I speak English, so you can do it on the country, you understand the language, and you're gonna be able to answer to the questions and everything. I'm gonna post that video as well, even if it's a few months ago recorded. It's nice during this period of Christmas and holiday because the parking, it's almost empty. There are not that many trucks and you have enough space when you, for example, today when I need to take a long break and sleep in the cabin, it's nice and easy to find empty car park for lorries, which I enjoyed so much because usually it's so busy and you don't have every time, especially on the 45 minutes break, you don't have enough parking spaces, especially on the routes we are. But this period it's nice, especially that it's weekend now. It's Saturday today. I'm supposed to be off on Friday and Saturday, but because I was off during this week for Christmas period, we work on a weekend today, tomorrow, and we're gonna be off again on the New Year's Eve. But it's okay. Financially, it's better like that because your days off are during the week and you work on the weekend, which is way better. So I'm not gonna complain about it. It's a nice area over here. There are nice houses and, you know, like typical Germany small villages. I mean, not small village, this is not a village, this is a small city, but it's so quiet, so I enjoy it so much, honestly. And all these lights because of the holiday now and the Christmas period, so I totally like it. When I came, I didn't record on that, but I think I'm hopefully you can see it because it's night now, it's dark outside. There was some snow. I haven't got snow on my way, but on this area looks like it was snowing a little bit. Not bad, but still. Anyway, everything outside is covered in ice because it's -2, -3 degrees. And on the area I live, I checked on AccuWeather, and on January it's gonna be like -10, -11 degrees. I'm waiting to see if this is gonna change or it will stay like that, but it's gonna be pretty cold. It's almost a year for me with this company, with this job. It's the first job in Germany for me, as you may already know. And it's gonna be 1 year on 15 was the first day. So like 2 weeks. In 2 weeks I've got 1 year with this company, and I'm so happy about that, honestly. Sometimes you have nice routes. I mean, all the routes are nice except the way where the farm is, and you have to park or to go through, and you have to load left or right side, and after that you have to turn around with the lorry. So that's the most annoying part on few farms, but some of them, like for example, like I have this one, it's perfect, like space, so you go straight, they load you on the left side, go end of the building, you have a nice space, so you go left, reverse and come back, which is, it's saves time. Tomorrow, I've been there for, yeah, I've been there for one time. Tomorrow is gonna be the second time I'm going. But as I remember, it was like a few months ago, but there was enough space. Well, it depends on which building, which building we load. Because the last time, it was the last building, so you have to reverse, turn around, and reverse back. But it was okay. But some of the farms, they don't have that much space for you to go with the lorry and reverse and everything. So that's why I say all the routes are nice, except that some of them are closer to the depot, some of them they are not closer to the depot. They are like, for I had to travel from next to Munich, where we are, through almost to the Netherlands border, which is like with the lorry is like 10 hours driving almost. No, it's not 10, sorry, it's 9 hours and almost 9 hours, yeah. So that's the longest route we have. Of course, you have to do it. For example, if I have to load tomorrow, I have to go from today, take a break next to the farm, and then when finished loading, start rolling back to the depot. But it's nice because I'm not working like physically. I'm not unloading anything or loading. I'm just driving and make sure that I put the lorry on a good position for them to load. So you know the stress that you have as a lorry driver, sometimes on tiny streets and everything like that, especially when you start the job, when you don't know the routes. But now after 1 year, I've checked on my maps because I have a pin for each farm that I have to go, and in 1 year I've been to around 100 farms. I don't know exactly how many. It says 100 and few pins that I have on my Google Apps, on my Google Maps, but not all of them are farms. Some of them, they are parking places for the longest routes where I can take the break. But it's around 100 farms, and I haven't seen them all, so it's more than that. But it's perfect. 2 hours and 7 minutes. I will go straight to the depot, and I think I explained that before. For example, when I came, I have to put the truck or the lorry on the scale to check the weight, and then introduce all the dates in the computer. And then if they don't have enough space inside, because it's like a one-way system, you go inside the building, they take the cages out from you, they wash the lorry and put another clean cages back to the lorry. So if that's full, on the left side is a lorry parking. But now, because I'm going on a second route, I have a kind of priority, so I'm going straight to the building. They will unload everything, wash my lorry, put new cages. I'm gonna add AdBlue. I'm gonna fill it up with AdBlue and then fill it up with diesel. Even if it's almost full, it's like 3/4 AdBlue and diesel as well. But I like to have it full, especially on the longer routes, so I don't have to spend time after that to fill it up on the way. So I've got a petrol station, diesel station next to the depot, where every time I'm using it, that's what we do. And it's nice, it's easy. It's very easy. It will take like 1 hour for them to unload everything, clean my lorry and put another clean cages. which is more than perfect, so I can take another 45 minutes break, and then with 4 hours and a half I can start driving to the longer route, and then we'll see how many driving hours I will have left to make it as close as possible to the farm. But even if I'm not close to the farm is not that far away. It's like 4 hours and 45 minutes driving for one way, so I can stop for like even 3-4 hours, let's say like 3 hours, to have enough time to do tomorrow with 10 hours of driving. So, but I don't like to do this. I would like to stop as much as possible, as close as possible next to the farm I'm loading, take a break, and then tomorrow load and come back. I don't want to go to the limit and put me in a situation, for example, when tomorrow I don't have enough time to come back because of the driving hours. So you have to calculate how many hours you can drive, or I can drive as much as possible, because 2 hours and a half with 2 hours and a half, that's 5 hours, and I still have another 5 hours. I can make it over there, but still you spend some time here, turn around the lorry. I'm gonna spend some time for the diesel, but we'll see. Everything is on schedule, everything is planned, and everything is good. So basically that's it with the first load. They just unload me now, clean the truck and everything, and it seems like it's snowing. It's snowing and it's pretty cold outside, -3 degrees. Look at this, nice. Winter is here. Long time ago, but still not on my YouTube channel. AdBlue is full. We just need to go for the diesel and ready to go. Clear here. Yeah, it's so cold outside. They washed the lorry. I went out from the building and all the water on the lorry, it's frozen a few seconds after this. So let's go for the diesel. My GPS, it says turn around, because I've tried to choose a shorter route, but the diesel station is right here, a few minutes driving. So I'm gonna fill up with diesel, and then from that spot I'm gonna choose which way I will take, because I can take the motorway, which is a little bit more kilometers, but you know, it's motorway, so it's free now. It's empty Sunday night, and I have some small roads like here on the other route, which is even less kilometers, but there is no motorway. So after the diesel, after I will fill it up with diesel, I will decide which way I will take. It's asking me to go on the motorway and come back on the same road here, but I'm not gonna do this because I have to turn right here and go for diesel. icy on the street. So the diesel is right there. As you can see on the map, it says is a petrol station. And then I will choose my way to tomorrow's farm. But this fog, man, you can't see anything. So here I'm gonna fill up with diesel, empty as always. Okay guys, I'm gonna see you on the road when everything is done. Okay guys, I'm not sure if you can see me. I'm gonna switch on the lights. There's too much lights. So I'm on a car park now. Found a nice place to sleep. As I said, the car parks are empty because there are not so many lorry drivers on the road right now. Especially it's holiday, especially is weekend, so we have a lot of free spaces. Now it's time to go to sleep, and then see you tomorrow morning. Good morning everyone, for the second time in this video, but now is a proper good morning because I just wake up like, let's say, half an hour ago. It's so cold outside. I'm gonna take you with me because I would like to go to the petrol station here and to buy something to drink. And the weather is like on the winter time. Yeah, look at this. Nice. It was pretty hot in my truck while I was sleeping. So I just wake up, have a very good sleep, honestly. I was sleeping so good. So now it's almost, yeah, it's past 9 hours of break, but even like that it's 20 minutes to 2. So I'm not gonna start rolling because the first one starts at 5 o'clock. So I'm the second truck, the second lorry loading today. So I'm gonna take you with me on the petrol station and yeah, we'll see. Nice. So the truck looks like that. But it's okay. I have another colleague, hopefully you can hear me. I have another colleague here in the car park. I think that's the first driver, I'm the second. So yeah, I'm going to the petrol station to buy something to drink and enjoy the rest of the break I have. Yesterday, for the first time, I've been parking on this spot here, but next to this one, I think you can hear the sound. It's not a good place to sleep, so I reverse and move. Yeah, there's the second colleague over there. and this is my truck, so you can see they're similar. And there is the petrol station, and hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. It's not too much noise, but still. It's a nice weather. You know this feeling when you wake up somewhere where it's very hot inside and you go out and the very low temperature hits you? It's like, whoa, I just woke up now. But it's nice. Pretty cold. So last time I was here, because this is the second time I'm coming to this farm, and on this area I have some members of my family, and last time I was here I went to their houses, so I took a proper 9 hours break. But now, unfortunately, they are not here. They are in our country for Christmas period, and yeah, I have to sleep in the cabin. But that's the life. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. Yeah, but that's the life. I still have to wait. It's 2 o'clock. First one starts loading 5 o'clock. I'm the second one, and then 4 hours and 45 minutes, maybe less, to the depot. Tomorrow I already know where I'm going. The boss told me, my manager, he texted me on the WhatsApp, and it's not far away. It's like 4 hours from the depot. And then tomorrow is gonna be the last route for this year. So I'm not sure if I will record anything tomorrow, because I already said that I have another video recording on the camera, so I haven't got enough time to edit and to download it on my laptop. So I'm not sure if I will record tomorrow, but anyway, we'll see. And that's it with the break. It's 4:30, and it takes me half an hour to get there, 29 minutes. So the first driver will start 5 o'clock. I'll be the second driver, and that means we have to start rolling. Have to start rolling with the good vibe, with the good energy. Very nice sleep here, quiet area. It's not that busy on the streets because it's a holiday, so yep. My colleague left, as I can see here. He's not here anymore. I think he's the first driver. I mean, I'm sure he's the first driver. And that's it. Back on the truck again. It's nice because I don't have a long time traveling back to the depot, which is cool. So I just left the car park, 27 minutes left, fog again. that's it. I'm gonna give you an update a little bit later. As you know, I'm not allowed to record on the farm, but the road through the farm I will show you. So see you in a second. This is a nice view, so I just switch on the camera because I like to show you this. It's not snow, it's just ice because everything was frozen because of the very low temperature. I'd love to be snow on the streets, I love it, but all the trees, they are frozen, completely frozen. And the streets are tiny streets. Yeah, that's so nice. A little bit of a bumpy road. But I like the view. I really like the view. Such a nice view. I love it. It gives me energy. I feel like I'm not tired at all. Well, of course, I was sleeping so good, so of course I'm not tired. I just start work, but usually, you know, when you're not sleeping in your bed at home, you can't get this nice sleep. But it's not the case. When I see everything like that, it gives me a lot of energy. It's nice, it's very nice. Last time I didn't came on this road, I was on the other side. It's like 7 minutes more driving, but I think I didn't came on this one because I think it was closed on that period, or they were working or stuff like that. And hopefully I can access the farm from this side, we'll see. But these villages, when they are covered in snow and you see all these lights, you know, it gives me a very good vibe. It's so nice, so nice. On the way back it's not too much driving, like 4 hours and 45, as I said, maybe less. But I still had to take a break for 45 minutes. But still, it's very good. So there's the way to the farm. Hopefully I can access it from this side. Three minutes left, 2.6 kilometers. My colleague should start already loading. He didn't post anything yet, but I will see when I'll get there. I think this video is gonna be a long video. I will try to make it as short as possible, not to get you bored, because sometimes I feel like it's boring just to record the road and everything. It's boring for me, so I can imagine it's boring for someone who's sitting on a couch, or you know, just to watch TV or a phone. So I'm trying to take the most beautiful views, or something that happens on the road, or something that's interesting, not just to post boring content. Even like that, you know, as a lorry driver, it's 70% of the time it's boring because you just have to drive. But these roads, which they are not easy to access, it's nice to record and showing to the people. Let's see. Another option here, turn right and then left, but the road is not good. I remember last time I was here, my first colleague, because I was the third one last time, he said don't go on the right and then left because it's the road is not that good, so you better go straight and right. Can't see the farm. That should be this road over here. Yeah, see my colleague. And that's the road I have to take here. Perfect. So my first colleague is loading over there. I'll record because you can't see anything, so nice and comfortable. Did he start loading or not? A little bit of a wheel spin. Why there are two trucks? I'm the second one. Why did you came here? Yep. I'm gonna stop here for a moment. I'm gonna talk to my colleagues and check. I don't think he started already. 6 minutes late already, but it is what it is. That's the job. So I will let you know when I'll finish regarding the time and how it goes, and we'll see. So see you in a few seconds for you and few hours for me. Yeah, I was talking with my colleague. He's the third one. I'm gonna wait here until the first one will finish. I mean, not finish half. I'm gonna show you now. So this is the third truck. This is the first one is loading, and when he will come here and reverse to load for the right side, then I'm gonna take my truck and move over there. But in the meantime, I'm gonna open this. Let me switch on some lights here. Ooh, pretty cold outside. Ooh. I'm gonna open these curtains now, then I'm gonna sit on the truck because it's better. Yeah. Look at these eyes. Hopefully there's nothing on a camera. Come on. These things are rubbish sometimes. You see? You see? You see? Looks like I'm a beginner now. But I can't pull it properly because they are frozen. And my hands are frozen too. And I've got ice on this. And it's not easy to manage the situation, but I'm gonna handle it. We're gonna sort it out as always. Come on. No? No? I'm gonna put my hand here so I have a better grip here. Ooh, so cool. That's it. Huh, one out of 4. Yeah. 1 out of 4. Everything is frozen. Everything is frozen. Try to warm up my hands a little bit, so yeah. Second one done. Wow. They're completely frozen. They are completely frozen. And my fingers too. One left, and that's it. I'm not getting out from the lorry until I will finish loading. So when I finish loading, I have to put them back and drive home. First to the depot and then home. Leave it like that. I will sort it out when I will finish. You may heard some noise. That's the signal that we have to move the truck. We have to move the lorry a little bit so they can go to the next set of cages. Look at this. So nice. You remember what I said earlier that I love when it's cold and snowy outside? Yeah, I know, you may expect me now to say no, I'm not, but I still love it. I still love it. Not everyone does, but I love it. It remember me about my childhood, you know, when with all the friends from a neighborhood go out, have a fight in the snow and all this stuff. That's nice memories. Finish inside the cabin. Whew. I'm gonna let you know when I will finish, guys, and hit the road back to the depot. Quick update right now. So I've just came back to the depot. It's 20 minutes to 2 in the morning. I've tried to end the video on my way here, but the GoPro battery just decided to go on a small holiday, I think. So that was for today, and until the next time, guys, take care of yourself and be safe on the road.